in this section of video tutorial, I will go through two tasks. Task 1 will be to deploy a Docker image by using the Azure Container Instance, and then task 2, it will be to review the functionality of the Azure Container Instances. So let's go through that one. First, what we need to do, we need to connect to the Azure portal. So I have already connected there. And then from the Azure resource, create Azure resource, you can look for a container instance. So click here, type container instances. So click there. Then here, click on create. Now pass all the information under basics tab. So I'm going to create a new resource group for this one. So Azure Docker resource group 01. Then I'm going to give a name like Azure Docker image. So I can Docker container image. So I can put DXC 01. Give the region. I prefer Eastern US, so more resources available in that area or region. Then availability zone, that is fine, none for here. Then image source, so quick start images, and then images name here. You see that image, that Linux one. Then click next, networking. Then here networking type public. I'm checking all the default one. Then there is a DNS name labeled. So any unique DNS host we can give. So let me give that. Let's see here, YN. So that it can be publicly available. So now click next, advanced tab. So here I am fine with the default config for our testing environment, not passing any tag values. So I'm going to click on review and create. So validation pass, click on create. So it's initializing deployment. Submitting deployment phase now. Now deployment in progress stage. So it will take few minutes. Let me pause here. So deployment is complete. You can click on go to resource. In the meantime, let's show you that the image we called is this one is the sample image. So you can go and see what it's actually doing. So if you click on Docker file, you can see that it just ultimately running this command here. So I'm not going in detail here. So let's go back to the portal. So container is container instances up. We can see that one. Now what we will do, we will review the functionality of these container instances. So from here, let's see, if we go down below. So from here we can see resource group. This one status is it is running, and operating system type is Linux, and you see the full FQDN, so full qualified domain name. So let me copy that one and open a new browser window to see. So we can see that the welcome to Azure Container Instances page is displayed. So you can close this. Now containers, get all those events, properties, logs. Connect is connect information to connect to that container. Dash connect. Let's see. Because we installed for Linux, so we are just click on shell, click connect. So you're connected to that shell. Or if every time say connect, just go to a new. Properties, event. Okay. So that is very much it.